Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom, and welcome to another simple tutorial video on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can copy a specific page link from Facebook and send it to other person. And without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your profile and select your profile icon on top of your right. Select that, and here on shortcut, this is my page. I'm going to click that page, and here on my page you can see the three dots on the right button. Click that option. Here you can see on the button my page link and also the copy link option. Just select that option, and your page link is copied, and now you can paste and share this link to anyone via email, WhatsApp, or Messenger as you like. But if you want to send another page that you are not handling, you can also do that and also copy the link in a similar way. All you have to do is just go to pages. I'm just selecting a random page, just going to discovery, and for the example, let's take this page, and to copy this link, just select this three buttons on here, and just in a similar way just copy this link, and you can send this copy to you via email or any other option that you like. You can also do one thing, just click invite friends and select them and send the invites, and they will get the links in this way, in a similar fashion. So and this is the video, and I hope this video helps you in any way, and I will catch you guys on the next one.